In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your Stripe account. Whether you're expanding your team or just need some extra hands on deck, understanding how to seamlessly add a new user is crucial. In this step-by-step guide, I'll be walking you through each action to ensure that you can do it effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Stripe dashboard. You can do this by visiting the main page. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options at your disposal, but today we're zooming in on one key feature that will make the difference: settings. Next, you'll find a gear icon that represents your settings option. This is usually located towards the top or side of your dashboard, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Click on it to continue. This gear icon is your gateway to everything administrative, and it's here where you'll find the tools you need to manage your team. Once inside the settings section, you will look for an option labeled Team and Security. Click on it. This section is crucial as it groups together the features that govern who has access to your account and what they can do. It brings control and security settings under one roof, ensuring you have full oversight over your setup. Now you're going to add your new user. Look for the option that says Add Member. This is where the process really starts to come together. Clicking this will open up a new interface where you'll be prompted to input details for your new teammate. At this point, you'll need the email address of the person you're inviting. Input the email into the designated field. It's always a good idea to double check the email to avoid any errors that could delay access for your new team member. Once you've inputted the correct email, proceed to the next step. After entering their email, you'll need to assign a role to the new user. In most cases, this will be an admin role. Assigning the right role is essential because it determines the level of access and control the user will have over your Stripe account. Be sure to assess your team's needs before selecting a role. Finally, you're at the last step. Go ahead and click Send Invite. Once you do this, an invite email will be sent to the address you specified, allowing them to join your Stripe team. They'll be prompted to accept your invitation and complete any necessary steps on their end. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Stripe account. By following these straightforward steps, you are now equipped to expand your team and streamline your operations effectively. Remember, managing user roles and permissions is a vital part of keeping your operation secure and running smoothly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy team building.